Welcome to Traveling Rocks. Today I visit Jem Fix hardware store based on Copenhagen. That one is one of the best hardware store I saw ever compared to different one. This one is more cheap and affordable, and here all hardware related product is available. Today I am purchasing some of the garden material. So this is my main target. Meanwhile, I'm exploring entire hardware store, so you can watch entire video and see what is the price of specific hardware, plywood or garden material. So let's check it out. Store. You can find here very easily everything affordable price. Look at this. Here the color also available, like a 3 liter colors, like only on 89 Danish krona. Some plywood also available here, some doors, gas, the fan. The different types of colors, the 5 liters. The 10 liter, that one is really cheap, only 98 krona. The cycle parts also available here. Here is the car part, car related, car, bike. Little expensive, but yeah, it's available here. I need to bring this phone. I need to purchase this tire. Just 70 लीटर है. So here different clouds also available, especially this one. I want to purchase that tire, not that one. I think this one is affordable and cheap price for sure. So I purchased two of them, 70 liter and one tire, but I just check and verify which one is cheap and affordable. But apart from that, that one is really budget friendly. The store, you can come here and purchase whatever you want. Especially the plowed is a little cheaper compared to other one. You are